I think we've done all Fishy Boy levels. So, I'm gonna move on to this fish. Over here. And we'll see what this is all about. Flying fish, isn't he? Oh, he just has to be aside and be free. Imagination. Oh, little buddy. Right, we're escaping this joint. Okay. I like this. He's a wham lad. He's a wham lad, isn't he? The size of him.
Buys a fish as a moving in present. How do we talk then?
Oh, I
It's
mean.
such an awesome gift. So awesome. Next time they move, we'll go big.
I'm a good lad. Promise. Same as the fishy. Yeah, fishy. Hi, fishy! Yay! And now we fly! Oh god. That work? Oh, dude, don't! Yeah. Oh, he's so cool. I really like this fishy. Oh, look at him! Ooh, I'm in like a farm, like the trenches. Yeah. Oh, this is so cool. Where they put all the water and stuff, the crops. Oh, I love this fish. Look at him! Oh, I had like big wings from over there. Ah, this is a dead end. Go this way. Maybe not. Maybe not. Back into the pond. Damn it! I went the wrong way. It's a rogue. I'm stuck on a rogue. This fish is rapid, mate. Okay. Go. Champ. Okay then. We appear to be stuck. Hope we can make it across to there. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. No, 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 no. I'm in the water, I'm in the water, I'm in the water. I'm in the water! I'm in the water! I was in the water! Oh! There's no way. Oh, there's water. He's rapid! Mad lad. Ah! No idea where I'm meant to be going. Haha, screw you, game. Oh, where am I meant to be going? No, fishy! Fishy, no! Fish! Got Squish and now I've got Ned. Ned. Ned the flying fish. Presuming. And this is a very bold statement. But it was right. Fishy flight! Yeah! Little buddy go. Oh, these are cool. So these like hold harbour water behind them until you're ready to open them to re-flood the area where you're in. You know, knowledge. My middle name, mate. Go down. Good run up. And go! Yeah! Oh, look at him! That freaking didn't out, did it? But he's stuck now. Just shit. Sorry, Ned, I didn't mean to look like that. Ned, no. This might be the end, bud. So we're gonna respawn. As we do have to go this way, okay. Press LB/RB. Is it both, or is it one? The one? Oh, you don't really know. Oh no, fishy, no. I'm in the water, don't worry. Bollocks, that ain't on. No, come on. Okay. Oh, do you have to hold them? That makes a lot more sense. I'm here just freaking spamming him, spazzing out. You can only stay out of the water for so long, that makes sense. Okay. Sorry about that. My fault. Oh god, I can't do it all now. Why is he not? Fishy, why you be stupid? Why is he not? Am I doing something wrong? No. That's nice. What is happening? He's not cooperating. Fish! Stop! There's the bun. I saw like a bird. Yeah, he's not doing what I'm asking him to. It's fabulous. I'm having such a good time right now. And a fish! I'm so close. I'm so close. I'm so close. Ah, damn you. Okay, so you have to like... But he's not... Maybe I'm being stupid or what, but... Okay. But see, he's not doing anything. Just let go of your stick when you maybe got the water or something. I don't know. I do like this fish, tell you that. I've sussed it now. I think I've sussed it. Go across. Fishy, go. Fishy, go. Oh, we're getting the actual proper trenches now. I can't believe how I'm just figured out the place for it. Oh, fantastic. Yeah, great. So good at this fish. What is it? Oh, that was close. Okay, that's fine. Go, speed. And up! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! I'm so bad at controlling this thing, Jesus. Okay, so we're going to have to get a run up. Okay. Just presume we can't make that. Great. Brilliant. I can't. Freaking fish did the death of me. I can make it to there, surely. Oh! Okay. Go. Okay, the activation thing is a bit strange. We'll say that. Go that way. No, there's a trough thing there. We're in the water, behave. I'll just respawn there. Okay. Yeah, dudes. Oh no, I want to go through that. Yeah. Bye, little dude. Whee! Surely that'll keep me alive now. Oh god. Yeah, we're dying, but we're also at water. Oh! The techers. Where do we go from here then? Yeah, okay. In you get, little buddy. Up there is the next checkpoint. I'm meant to go there, I don't know. Oh, what's happening? Oh, okay, pipe. You're a pipe, okay. Will you take me, huh? Hello? Ah, I see. Oh god, that's janky. Up there, I presume. Ow, my head. Father said. God, this is so horrible to control in places. So it doesn't activate. I'm frustrated at a freaking fish game. Flying fish, I'm getting frustrated. It doesn't take you anywhere, does it? Freaking decimate this game. Why are you not activating, please? No idea what I'm meant to be doing. See, they don't work. You hold it, doesn't work. You click it, doesn't work. It's down here. This looks empty. Nothing off there, no? Gotta somehow make it up there. That's not happening. I tell you for a fact, that's not happening. He doesn't. Oh, I'm getting frustrated. Bumped his head. This kid must be watching from. Oh my god, it's so frustrating. You can just click the one button, okay. That doesn't help me though. God's green earth. Am I getting up there? Unless I'm not meant to go there, I'm pretty sure I am though. Seems like it, eh? Well. Yep. I have no idea how I was meant to do that. Not a clue. As you can see, I'm very talented at this game. Exit molding. Bollocks. I've not enjoyed this level, but... Okay, I'm slowly understanding how it was. Tuck. No. Okay. Hiya. Sweet. Yellington Mark. Oh my lord, I'm going so quiet, I'm trying. Tomatoes. Nice checkpoint. Loopy doopy roll. Okay. That's a long one, that. I don't know if I'm gonna make that. We're gonna go though. Yeah, look at me go. And now I'm getting it. It's not so bad. Oh, that's so close. Holy smokes, I went over it. Damn you, game. Ah, no. Oh, can I make it? No, okay. Damn it! God, I'm so bad at this freaking fish. Oh my lord. Really frustrating me now. Oh, fishy, no! Help. This freaking fish is retarded. Oh my god. Really not enjoying this now. Really not enjoying it. Okay, we're in. No, we're going between. We're going between. I clicked the wrong button. My fault. Bloody hell. Ah, God. I don't know why my brain keeps clicking Y to activate the ability things. It's not the button. Okay. Through there? Through there? Nah, it's not through there. Over to there. Okay. Nice. Okay. I go into those. Yeah. Ah!
This morning, all the fish you could ever hope to eat.
How the hell am I meant to go over there? Because this isn't frustratingly annoying. This is stupid, what is he doing? Go that way, you nerd. Come on, stupid fish. This is so annoying. Just get to them. Are you joking? Christ almighty. Now where are we off? What's the plan now? This way maybe? Weave. Weave, boys, weave. Ow. Rude. Should have gone the slopier route. Oh, Christ almighty. I'm not doing that now. It's alright, I'll just stop from the late freaking start again. Oh, no, don't you dare. This bitch is gonna get me, isn't she? Ha 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 ha! Screw you. I'm a gamer. Easy, fishy, easy, little dude. Okay. Where are we going from? Into that well. Wow. Oh, thank God for that. That was awful. I hated everything about that. Ever. Never again.